What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are making some beef chow mein. Got some really good ingredients, some amazing homemade sauce. I'm so excited. Let's get in. Alright, so make sure we're recording. I got the water going in the house because it takes so long for this stuff to start boiling out here. So we got that. Now we're going to start out with some carrots, because those take a little longer than the onion and the pepper to cook. So let's just turn this up real quick. Got a little peanut oil down. We're at 415 degrees. I got all my burners on high right now. Alright, so now you don't need your water to be boiling to put the noodles in. These are the noodles that we're using, by the way. Some chow mein noodles. So here's what we got. They just come like that. Oops, dropping some. Just plop it right in there. Boom. Good to go on that. Alright. Let's turn these up a little bit. They're already coming apart. Yeah, these only take a couple minutes to cook. Alright. And everything else is going to go pretty fast as well. So, let's get the rest of these veggies on. See how we're looking. Alright, starting to get a little char. Alright, so we got all these veggies on. Now let's get going on some of this beef, which I am using some filet mignon, because we got these fillets from, what was it? Omaha Steaks. Didn't care for them. Did not care for them. So, cut them up real thin, and I got them marinating. And I got everything that I'm marinating them with in the description below. But man, I have a feeling they're going to be a lot better this way. I mean, free steak, what are you going to do, right? So let's get this going. Alright, so we got this beef on here. See, I cut them up real thin against the grain. We got some soy sauce, cornstarch, sesame oil, and baking soda in here for the marinade. Got all the quantities down below. So let's just get this going. It's not going to take long. The noodles are pretty much done. So what I'm going to do, yeah, they're pretty much done. Alright. Going to pull that off, put it right over here. Easy right there. Alright, now, you know what? Let's turn that one low. Check on these veggies. Oh, baby, we're getting that seared. Alright, so these veggies are getting close. I'm just going to move them a little. Oh, got me. Alright, so the steak is looking good. Ooh, man, I wish you guys could smell everything that's going on here. Whew. Alright. I'm going to throw some this minced garlic over here. I'm just going to put it on the griddle. Let that start going. Alright. Now here's the sauce. Oh, I'm telling you, everything in this, amazing. Check that out for sure. Oh yeah, look at that garlic go. Alright, I almost forgot. We got some cabbage we're going to throw in here too. Ooh, buddy. Just get all that in there. Get it warming up. This stuff doesn't take long at all to cook, so didn't want to overdo it. Alright, check on this meat. Ooh, buddy. Look at you. That marinade, supposedly it seals in the flavor real good, so I'm not mad at all about everything I got going on right here. Alright, we mixed up this stuff. You know what, we're going to combine. Throw that beef in here. Ooh, buddy.
As soon as you're ready to have the sauce, have the noodles.
Alright. Let's get some noodles in here. I mean, all that moisture, ain't nothing wrong with that. It's gonna burn off. I just want to mix it all in here. Get all these flavors incorporated. My mouth's watering right now. Ooh, buddy. Alright, here we go. Looking pretty good now. I think it's about time to throw some sauce in here. What do you think? Got it? Alright, that's all it is. We're done. Buddy, look at you. Oh, no. I'm gonna dish this up, get the wife, get a plate in here, and get all this goodness served up. Alright, so I threw a little green onion on there. Let's give it a try. You know what? I want to try this meat first. Much better. I don't know what the deal is with the Omaha steaks. They were not very good when cooked, you know, normal, but this right here, that's some good stuff. Let's get some veggies in here. That's good. That cabbage still has a nice little crunch. This is delicious. This is good. All right, well, I'm gonna get in, eat this dinner. Ooh, so excited. Hopefully, there's a little leftovers for tomorrow. But all right, I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.